Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha narrates that once she asked Hazrat Asma radiyallahu ta'ala anha about the ritual bath ghusl following menstruation. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam advised, take water and a piece of perfumed cloth and cleanse yourself thoroughly. Then pour water over your head to ensure it reaches the roots of your hair. Afterward, pour water over your body. Then take a piece of musk and use it for purification. She asked, how can a woman purify herself with it? The Prophet ﷺ replied, glory be to Allah, sister, indeed by using it a woman attains purity. In reality, the Prophet's intention was to remove any traces of blood. Then she asked about the ritual bath ghusl after sexual impurity janaba. The Prophet ﷺ advised, take water and cleanse yourself thoroughly. Pour water over your head to ensure it reaches the roots of your hair. Then let the water flow over your body. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha adds that the Ansari women were very good and they did not feel shy about learning and understanding the religion. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 24034.